باب تفاضل أهل الإيمان في الأعمال. Chapter: The grades and superiority of the believers will be according to their good deeds.
حدثنا محمد بن عبيد الله قال حدثنا إبراهيم بن سعد عن صالح عن ابن شهاب عن أبي أمامة بن سهل أنه سمع أبا سعيد الخدري يقول قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: بين أنا نائم رأيت الناس يعرضون علي وعليهم قمص منها ما يبلغ الثدي ومنها ما دون ذلك، وعرض علي عمر بن الخطاب وعليه قميص يجره. قالوا: فما أولت ذلك يا رسول الله؟ قال: الدين. Narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, while I was sleeping I saw, in a dream, some people wearing shirts of which some were reaching up to the breasts, only while others were even shorter than that. Umar bin al-Khattab was shown wearing a shirt that he was dragging. The people asked, how did you interpret it? What is its interpretation, O Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him? He, the Prophet, peace be upon him, replied, it is the religion. Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of narrations, 13 from Abu Sa'id Khudri Raziyallahu An. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our YouTube page. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel.